Ever wondered what database powers your favorite apps? From Instagram to Uber, databases are the backbone of modern technology. Let's break it down. A database is like a digital library where information is stored and retrieved. We're going to explore one of the most popular databases out there, PostgreSQL. With over 2 million developers using it, PostgreSQL is the second most popular database after MySQL. So, what is PostgreSQL? In simple terms, it's a powerful, open-source database that helps store and manage data. Here's how it compares to MySQL. Both are open-source and scalable, but PostgreSQL offers more advanced data types. PostgreSQL is like a Swiss Army knife. It can handle a wide range of tasks, from simple data storage to complex transactions. Its flexibility and reliability make it a favorite among developers. Let's take a step back. PostgreSQL has a rich history dating back to 1986, when it was first developed as Postgres. Over the years, it has evolved into a robust database with advanced features. In 2006, PostgreSQL 8.0 was released, introducing advanced features like window functions and common table expressions. Today, PostgreSQL is used by companies like Uber, Instagram, and even the US Department of State. So, how does PostgreSQL work? At its core, PostgreSQL uses SQL, or structured query language, to manage data. SQL is like a universal language that helps databases communicate. PostgreSQL is also ACID compliant, which means it ensures data consistency and reliability. Think of ACID like a set of rules that guarantee data accuracy, even in complex transactions. PostgreSQL is not just a database, it's a powerhouse behind many popular apps. With over 2 million developers using it, PostgreSQL is a go-to choice for building scalable and reliable applications. From social media to e-commerce, PostgreSQL is used by over 1,000 companies worldwide. Its flexibility and performance make it an ideal choice for handling large amounts of data. Let's see PostgreSQL in action. Here's an example of how to connect to a PostgreSQL database using Python. With just a few lines of code, you can start interacting with your database. This code snippet shows how to establish a connection to a PostgreSQL database using the scicop2 library. With this connection, you can perform various operations like creating tables, inserting data, and querying data. As we look to the future, PostgreSQL continues to evolve and improve. With its strong community support and open-source nature, PostgreSQL is poised to remain a leading database choice. The PostgreSQL community is committed to innovation and collaboration, driving the development of new features and technologies. With PostgreSQL, you can build scalable, reliable, and high-performance applications. In conclusion, PostgreSQL is a powerful database that powers many of your favorite apps. With its advanced features, scalability, and reliability, PostgreSQL is a go-to choice for developers. So, what's next? Want to learn more about PostgreSQL? Check out the official documentation or try it out in a sandbox environment. And if you're curious about how databases work, stay tuned for our next video. How does database replication work? We'll dive into the world of data replication and explore how it ensures data consistency across multiple databases.